Are you one of the millions waking up in a cold sweat at 3 a.m., your mind racing, unable to fall back asleep? It's a frustrating, draining experience that countless individuals face, especially those over 60. You've tried everything, counting sheep, meditation, avoiding screens, but nothing seems to work. What if I told you that the key to reclaiming your peaceful nights might not be in your bedroom habits, but in your refrigerator? This isn't just about sleep, it's about a hidden culprit stealing your vitality: elevated cortisol. Today, we're diving deep into a revolutionary approach backed by Dr. Jason Fung's principles that will empower you to tackle this problem head on, not with another pill, but with the very foods you eat. The 3 a.m. wake up call isn't just a nuisance, it's often a symptom of a deeper physiological imbalance, particularly high cortisol. Cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, is designed to give you a burst of energy to handle acute stressors. However, in our modern world, chronic stress, from financial worries to health concerns, keeps cortisol levels perpetually elevated, disrupting your natural sleep-wake cycle. For those over 60, this becomes even more pronounced. Our bodies become less efficient at regulating hormones, and the cumulative effect of a lifetime of stress can manifest in these unwelcome nocturnal awakenings. Think about it. Your body is essentially in a constant fight or flight mode, even when you're trying to rest. This relentless internal alarm clock is a major barrier to deep, restorative sleep. But here's the twist. Simply reducing stress isn't always enough, because the foods you consume can either exacerbate this problem or become your most powerful allies. Many people mistakenly believe that their sleep issues are purely psychological, leading them to ineffective remedies. They focus on relaxation techniques, which are certainly beneficial, but often overlook the crucial biochemical underpinnings of cortisol regulation. The truth is, certain foods act like fuel for your stress response, inadvertently keeping your cortisol levels stubbornly high throughout the night. You might be unknowingly sabotaging your sleep with every meal. Imagine trying to put out a fire while simultaneously pouring gasoline on it. That's what happens when you eat foods that spike your blood sugar and inflammation, both of which trigger cortisol release. This creates a vicious cycle. Stress elevates cortisol, poor food choices keep it elevated, and elevated cortisol further disrupts sleep and creates more stress. It's a biological trap. Don't skip ahead. The game-changing tip comes at 5:30. We're about to unveil the 5 specific foods that can actively work against this cycle. So, what's the first step to breaking free from this cycle? It starts with understanding how your diet impacts your endocrine system. The real secret comes at 1:30. Focus on stabilizing your blood sugar throughout the day. Spikes and crashes in blood sugar are direct signals to your body to release cortisol. This means ditching refined carbohydrates and sugary snacks, especially in the evening. Instead, opt for complex carbohydrates that release glucose slowly, preventing those sharp peaks and valleys. Think of it as creating a smooth, gentle wave of energy rather than a turbulent roller coaster. This seemingly simple change can significantly reduce the nocturnal cortisol surges that jolt you awake. Try this now. For your next snack, choose a handful of almonds instead of a cookie and observe how you feel. Our first food powerhouse to combat high cortisol and reclaim your sleep is avocado. This creamy, delicious fruit is a nutritional superstar packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and magnesium. These aren't just buzzwords, they're critical components for hormone regulation and stress reduction. Monounsaturated fats help stabilize blood sugar, preventing the cortisol spikes we just discussed. Potassium works to balance electrolytes, which can be disrupted by stress. And magnesium is a natural relaxant, often called nature's tranquilizer. It directly helps calm the nervous system and can even improve melatonin production. Think of avocado as a soothing balm for your overstressed adrenal glands. Incorporating half an avocado into your lunch or dinner can make a tangible difference in your evening cortisol levels. Next up on our list of cortisol-crushing foods, fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. These aren't just good for your heart, they're exceptional for your brain and your hormones, thanks to their incredibly rich omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Chronic inflammation is a significant driver of cortisol production. So by reducing inflammation, you're directly addressing a root cause of elevated stress hormones. Furthermore, omega-3s are crucial for neurotransmitter function, promoting feelings of calm and well-being. Dr. Fung often emphasizes the importance of healthy fats, and these fatty fish are prime examples. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week to build up their beneficial effects. Wait until you see what happened next with our next food. Consider Sarah, a 68-year-old client who for years battled the 3 a.m. wake up. She was diligent with her meditation, but the early morning anxiety persisted. After incorporating avocados and salmon into her diet, not only did her sleep improve within weeks, but she also reported feeling significantly less anxious during the day. This isn't magic, it's biochemistry. Our third food is often overlooked but incredibly potent: leafy green vegetables, especially spinach and Swiss chard. These vibrant greens are overflowing with magnesium, a mineral vital for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including those that regulate stress and sleep. Most people miss step number 3. I'll explain why. Many adults, especially those over 60, are magnesium deficient, leading to muscle cramps, anxiety, and yes, disrupted sleep. These greens also provide folate, another B vitamin essential for neurotransmitter synthesis. Our fourth powerful food is berries, particularly blueberries and raspberries. These small but mighty fruits are packed with antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress, another trigger for cortisol release. They are also relatively low in sugar compared to other fruits, making them an excellent choice for stabilizing blood sugar. Option A, reach for a sugary dessert that will inevitably lead to a cortisol spike. Option B, enjoy a handful of berries, satisfying your sweet tooth while simultaneously supporting your body's stress response. The choice is clear. Their high fiber content also contributes to gut health. And as we'll discuss, a healthy gut is intimately linked to a healthy stress response. Comment yes if you've experienced the frustration of restless nights. And finally, our fifth cortisol-lowering food: fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir. This might seem surprising, but the gut-brain axis is a powerful connection. Your gut microbiome plays a crucial role in regulating mood, stress, and sleep. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that improve gut health. A healthy gut can reduce inflammation, produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, a precursor to melatonin, and even directly influence cortisol levels. If X happens, you experience bloating when introducing fermented foods, do Y instead, start with very small portions and gradually increase, or try a different type of fermented food. This is a game changer for long-term stress resilience. While these 5 foods are incredibly impactful, it's essential to integrate them within a broader understanding of metabolic health, a concept championed by Dr. Jason Fung. His work emphasizes the importance of managing insulin, which is closely intertwined with cortisol. When insulin levels are consistently high, it creates an environment where cortisol can also remain elevated. The foods we've discussed, healthy fats, fiber-rich vegetables, and low-sugar fruits, naturally support lower insulin levels, creating a synergistic effect that tackles both insulin resistance and cortisol dysregulation. This isn't just about eating 5 specific items, it's about adopting a dietary philosophy that supports your body's natural healing and balancing mechanisms. Let's consider John, 72, who struggled with high blood pressure and chronic insomnia. He was initially skeptical that food could make such a difference. After incorporating these principles, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, reducing refined carbs, and adding avocados, salmon, and leafy greens, he noticed a significant drop in his evening anxiety, and his 3 a.m. awakenings became less frequent and shorter. Within 3 months, he was sleeping through the night most evenings. Try this now. For 1 week, commit to adding at least 2 of these 5 foods into your daily meals. Observe how you feel, how your energy levels shift, and most importantly, how your sleep begins to transform. Remember, consistency is key. Most people miss step 3. I'll explain why it's so critical to consistently incorporate these nutrient-dense foods. It's not a one-time fix, it's a lifestyle adjustment that retrains your body to manage stress more effectively. Think of it as nourishing your adrenal glands and calming your nervous system from the inside out. For breakfast, instead of sugary cereal, try scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. For lunch, a salad with salmon and berries. For dinner, baked fish with steamed greens and a side of kimchi. Small, deliberate changes accumulate into profound results over time. This method will save you 10 hours a week of tossing and turning. What if you're eating these foods but still struggling? Firstly, ensure you're consuming enough of them regularly. A single avocado won't magically solve years of cortisol imbalance. Secondly, consider other lifestyle factors that might be contributing: chronic unmanaged stress, lack of physical activity, or excessive caffeine intake. While food is powerful, it's part of a larger ecosystem of well-being. If you find these foods aren't making a dent, review your entire day. Are you drinking coffee late in the afternoon? Are you engaging in any de-stressing activities? It's about creating a comprehensive strategy. The real secret comes at 1:30, referring to the previous mention of blood sugar stabilization. Always return to the foundational principles. We've covered 5 incredible foods that can help lower cortisol and promote restful sleep, especially for those over 60: avocados, fatty fish, leafy green vegetables, berries, and fermented foods. This isn't just about avoiding what's bad, it's about actively nourishing your body with what's good, empowering your innate ability to heal and find balance. Dr. Jason Fung's emphasis on metabolic health provides a robust framework for understanding why these foods are so effective. You have the power to influence your internal chemistry and reclaim your nights. This is an accessible, sustainable path to better sleep and overall vitality. If you're ready to finally put an end to those dreaded 3 a.m. awakenings, then take action now. Watch next. For a deeper dive into managing insulin resistance, which is intricately linked to cortisol and sleep, check out our video on Understanding Insulin, Dr. Fung's Guide to Metabolic Health. It will provide even more insights into optimizing your diet. Save this guide. We've compiled a free downloadable guide with a step-by-step breakdown of how to incorporate these 5 foods into your daily meals, along with sample meal plans. Find the link in the description below. It's your ultimate resource for lasting change. Subscribe for part 2. In part 2 of this series, I'll reveal 3 crucial supplements that can amplify the effects of these foods, further supporting cortisol regulation and deep restorative sleep. Don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell now.